Welcome to the Tooltos 3-in-1 110mm manual jewelry rolling mill machine, designed to help jewelers and craftsmen bring their creations to life with precision and ease. Built for superior performance, this rolling mill features a 4-to-1 reduction gear ratio, allowing for smooth operation with minimal effort. Each complete turn of the rollers is achieved with 4 turns of the handle, making the rolling process more efficient and easier on the operator. The forged handle is comfortable to hold and requires minimal force, ensuring you can work for extended periods without fatigue. With a precise dial, you can easily adjust the distance between the rollers to accommodate different metal thicknesses, making it versatile for various jewelry projects. The user-friendly design features mounting holes, allowing you to securely attach the machine to your workbench. The sturdy construction ensures stability during operation. With a width of 110mm and a diameter of 55mm, the drum provides ample working area. You can press square wires from 1mm to 5mm, flat surfaces up to 55mm wide, and also make semicircular wires of different sizes, ideal for making fine jewelry. This 110mm metal rolling mill is perfect for cold rolling metal, whether you're producing thin metal sheets, wire squares, or half rounds. It's ideal for transferring textures onto your metal, offering limitless creative possibilities. Each package comes complete with a Tooltos 110mm rolling mill machine, hand grip, fasteners, screws, and a detailed instruction manual to get you started right away. Elevate your jewelry craftsmanship with the precision and superior performance of the Tooltos 3-in-1 110mm manual jewelry rolling mill machine. Order yours today and bring your metalworking visions to life.